When you finally finished your website and you've tested it, and I do recommend you test it regularly, make sure that you've tested it, looking it through so you can see how your website's going to work. Click on home, what it looks like all the way through. Obviously this is a hot mess because we've just been adding content without thinking about what it looks like, but it all works. We know we can get to peripherals, we know we can get to peripheral page of the map. I haven't got a back button in there, I need to add that. And I've tested the site before I launch it. Once you're happy that you want to publish that so it can be seen by more than just you, you come up to here and you click on the publish button. This is when you give it a web address. So it would be, by default, it would be sites.google.com/view. Now, obviously, in a school environment, that would be different, and you'd have different options down here. One of the options you would see would be only people in my domain or making it public, and you'll need to seek permission from your teachers about whether you can make it public. But you can put in here, so I'm going to put in here, let's just call this right, there we go. So it's already been taken. Okay, so let's call it DK DT test. There we go. So that my URL is going to be sites.google.com/view DKDT-test, and I'm going to click on publish. But you can see here, you can request for it not to be seen. I'm going to leave that unticked because I'm going to delete this in a moment. But if you don't want your website to be searched and followed by the likes of Google and other search engines, untick that and the crawlers will ignore you. Click publish. And now it's published. So this is the editing version of the site. And over here, now the publish button has been split in two. You can see there's now a drop down. You can click on the drop down and you can see what your published site would look like to your public. So click on view published site, and this is it loading up live on the internet, and it's a hot mess on my page here, but never mind. We can close that. You'll also see that you can unpublish it. But let's make a change. I'm just going to click on here and I'm just going to add 0.5 here, and now I need to publish it again. So click on publish, and it's going to show me the changes, what's currently published 0.4, and here it highlights in green that I've added something. You think, yeah, I'm happy with those changes, that's what I wanted to do, and now I can publish. And so once you've published your page, this is how, or website, this is how you can continue to update it, and it will show you the changes that are about to be made, what's currently live, what's currently not live, and the change that you make that will go live and make those changes.